Changing your Apple ID country to China allows you to access the Chinese App Store, but there are special requirements due to China's restrictions. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then again, tap on your name at the top. Now here, scroll down and tap on the country/region option available there. Tap on the country or region. Then you'll be navigated to change country or region option in the blue highlights. Simply wait for a few seconds for it to load and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the list of countries on your screen. Now here, you'll have to look for the China. Just know that there is no China mentioned in this list. It is mentioned as China mainland. You'll have to look for the China mainland and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the China mainland, you will be navigated to the section where they ask for your permission to continue. Simply tap on the agree and change country option available there. After you tap on it, again you'll be navigated to the terms and conditions. Here, tap on the agree at the top right corner. After that, you'll have to enter Chinese payment details and address and click done, then restart the App Store. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.